Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan and his party deputy Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi have been acquitted by the Islamabad High Court in the classified document cipher case. The military authorities who removed Imran Khan's government in a soft coup in April 2022 sought the death penalty through state prosecutors in this case. On January 30, the special court established under the Official Secrets Act inside the Ajala jail in a secret trial had awarded Imran and Qureshi 10 years imprisonment in the high-profile cipher case. The Pakistani Supreme Court has taken up the allotment of reserve seats to Imran Khan's PTI, which was forced to contest elections without its election symbol in the February 8th elections. The party swept the elections but have been denied their share of reserve seats for women and minorities in the legislative assemblies. PTI's lawyer, Faisal Siddiqui, argued in the Supreme Court today, quote, assigning reserve seats to other parties violated specific articles of the Constitution, unquote. The case was adjourned until tomorrow. The de facto ruling military regime in Pakistan who have abducted and tortured journalists at home is coming after Pakistani journalists based outside the country. An anti-terrorism court is pursuing mutiny charges against US-based journalists Wajahat Saeed Khan, Shaheen Sahbai and Mueed Pirzada. The journalists have been reporting on the regime's gross human rights violation as well as poor governance. According to a report in a local newspaper, the prosecution will seek possession of the exiled journalists' assets, including property. In October of 2022, prominent Pakistani journalist Arshad Sharif was hounded out of Pakistan and assassinated in Kenya. Less than 1 in 5 Pakistanis believe that the country is headed in the right direction, according to a survey. The study showed 1 in 2 Pakistanis claiming to personally know someone who lost their job because of the economic conditions. Pakistanis cited the country's economic condition is their main worry. Pakistan's economy has been disseminated since a stable representative government was overthrown in April of 2022 in a soft coup. Political crisis has exacerbated since February 8th when the winning party was denied the right to form government. Forced displacement and operations by occupational Israeli forces has pushed over 1 million people away from the Gazan city of Rafah, the United Nations Palestinian Refugee Agency UNRWA said on Monday. The small city on the southern edge of the Gaza Strip had been sheltering around 1 million Palestinians who fled Israeli operations on other parts of the enclave, aid group said. UNRWA said thousands of families now shelter in damaged and destroyed facilities in the city of Khan Yunus, where the agency is providing essential service despite, quote, increasing challenges, unquote. Quote, conditions are unspeakable, unquote, the agency added.
In this context, the United Nations Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, denounced that Israel has forced the displacement of more than 1 million people from Rafah in the last few days. From the social media X, the agency pointed out that in the last 3 weeks, around 1 million people have fled Rafah. This happened with nowhere safe to go and amid shelling, lack of food and water, piles of debris and inadequate living conditions. Day after day, providing assistance and protection is becoming almost impossible. A ceasefire is required now.